Morning loves, it is now 7 o'clock in the morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Guys, how are you doing this December month so far? I am good. I'm just like in and out. I've been feeling a little bit tired. I got dressed. I really love this top, guys. Like, don't you like it? It's actually kind of like an Indian wear top, but I love like putting a blazer. I don't know, I just love different looks. I just have on a regular blazer and some black pants. I got up like, yeah, a friend of mine woke me up like 5 o'clock this morning to give me news. Mind you, it's amazing news, so I wasn't too bothered, but 5 o'clock, I'm still trying to sleep. Like, just telling you, I was trying to sleep. Plans today, well, we have work, of course. I have a meeting for 5 o'clock this evening, like an online Zoom meeting. I really have to get up Vlogmas Day 3. And obviously today's video up. I really will try my best to edit those things this evening after the meeting. Anyway guys, how was Christmas shopping? I actually did not do any Christmas shopping, and I don't really think that I'll be doing any. I just have like one or two gifts, like just a few gifts that I want to buy for a few persons in my life. Not too much, not gonna splurge this December. Guys, good evening. It is now 6:28 in the evening. I had a meeting. The meeting is still going on, but I have some other stuff to do, so I really needed to like sign out of the meeting to get that done. Guys, tomorrow is going to be the pop-up shop. Oh my gosh, I am so excited, but I'm so very tired right now. I feel like if I'm not even gonna be able to get up in the morning, like, but we had to do what we had to do. I am so excited to like see all of these amazing goods and products that people have. Guys, definitely check it out. If you are free tomorrow and Sunday between the hours of 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock in the evening, Mission Road, Freeport at Joyce's Hardware, I am going to be there. That just made me think, like, I'm already so tired and I have to edit. Guys, why do I do this to myself? Vlogmas takes a toll on you, and it's not even like it's the 4th day. I remember when, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I remember when I first started Vlogmas, it's like I don't know if I had more time, but I wasn't so tired, and the only point in time that I would really feel the toll of Vlogmas was kind of like by the 20th day kind of thing. But imagine I'm feeling the 24th day, like, what's going on with you? Like, that's when you can't become, like, that's when adulting becomes super real, and you have so many things to do. Oh. But we got this, and I got you guys. I'm going to keep making content for you. So definitely keep watching, keep commenting, give me a thumbs up. So I just sunbathed, right? And I had matte lipstick. I was wearing matte lipstick like whole day, and I just like put a little bit of baking soda and kind of like scrub my lips with it. You shouldn't do that if you have sensitive skin, because it's really harsh and coarse on your skin. I typically use sugar and oil, like olive oil, but I just wasn't in the mood, and I just wanted to like thing, and I don't know why, but my lips looking like so smooth and soft, and it just looking so clear. I don't know, it might seem weird. I'm not vain, guys, but okay, a little bit vain, but it's like amazed me when my lips look like smooth and a little bit clear, because I have dark like upper lip. Morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. I'm so sorry, yes, I know I haven't uploaded the others, but like this evening I'm actually gonna compile Vlogmas Day 4 and 5 together. Guys, I'm so excited. It is now like 6:20 a.m. and I'm feeling got up. I kind of like a little bit groggy, so but I am so pumped because today is the 5th, and guess what? Today is the pop-up shop event that I have been talking about for the past couple of days. It is tomorrow, today and tomorrow, and next weekend. Guys, definitely do not forget to check us out both today and tomorrow. And next weekend, check us out on our social media, Cpef, Central Pathfinders Environmental Foundation. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Guys, this is our outfit. Like, I'm not even gonna do my hair. I run a little bit late. I'm gonna have to leave now. Like regular blazer, just this thing. And guys, these lovely little earrings from Kavita Jewels, my business. Okay, let's go. today is Vlogmas day 5. I did not get to really vlog anything much at the Eco Shop, even though it was like so much fun. I was more posting stuff on social media for the shop. It was just so amazing for our first day back. Guys, today's drive with Cav, let's talk about busy versus priorities. A lot of us say that we are always too busy to do something, but the thing is, are we really busy? Like, listen, like, are we really busy? Oh, don't mind me, guys, I'm looking like really sweaty because I had on the mask a lot. Yeah, are we really busy, or is it that we just have not set our priorities straight or aligned our priorities to realize what is more important and what is not so important? What do we need to get done first and what we could work on least? Because a lot of times what we tend to do is this: there's a certain aspect of our lives, or there are things that we love to do, and we spend more time doing that, or that is the first thing that we tend to do because we like it, and we spend so much time, we're so accustomed to doing it, we know how to do it. But then there's another aspect where we probably don't like so much, or we're not really good at it, so we spend least time on that, and that is what takes up a lot of our time. Because ideally, when you have the most energy, you should do the thing that you like the least. When you have the least time and the least energy, when you're super tired, the things that you like, and trust me when I tell you, your life will be so much more productive and you will really get things done. Like, you would get things done so much more efficient and faster and just all around better. And the thing is, the struggle with time management that a lot of us have, you wouldn't have it so much because you'll be a little bit more efficient with time if you do that. So make a list of your priorities, ensure that you get things done, and always remember that when your energy and spirit is at the highest, do the thing that you least like. When it's at the lowest, do the thing that you love the most, because guess what? Once you love something, it's going to bring up your energy a little bit, and it's not going to take so much out of you. You're not going to feel so tired all the time too. So that is my session with Drive with Cav. It is now like, I think about 5:45. I'm driving home right now from Freeport. I'm wearing my earrings, guys. This is part of my Christmas collection. They're only like $25. So you guys can definitely hit me up, message, order, check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Kavan's Jewels TT. But yes, I'm almost home. Let's go see what my baby is up to, guys, because he's waiting home very patiently. But yeah, signing up, guys. So it is now, what is the time? Oh my god, it is now 25 to 9, guys. The weirdest thing happened to me. So after coming home from Cpef's Eco Shop, I forgot my charger, and I actually just forgot like the charging block parts that just connects to the wall. So I came home and I'm like, okay, well, let me just get the cord and I'll just take the block from like mommy or daddy. Only to realize that the cord itself fell out of my bag and I had to go all the way back to Freeport because my charger is very important to me. There's no other chargers in the house that could charge my phone. Yes, so I just finished eating. Eat a lot of pepper, like pepper right now. I'm actually gonna have a little snack, Oreo, and I have orange juice. Yes, Oreo and orange juice. I don't know, I haven't ever had that combination, but I'm doing that and I'm watching a movie here. A movie. So we're gonna have like, well, not me. Pooch is actually sleeping, guys. Kenji is sleeping already. I'm having a little movie night with myself, and then I'll go like probably edit and yeah.
Mr. Santa Claus, I think it's high time you take a pause.